Good morning, everybody. It is currently, what, 8:12? I woke up around 7:30 this morning. Funny thing is, yesterday I woke up before everybody woke up and I left the house. Well, Charlotte was having a fit because she really wanted mommy. And Graham had to FaceTime me while I was shopping at Walgreens because she just wanted mommy. But, you know, she's got to learn to live without me at all times. So I said, you know, if I left while she was up, it wouldn't have been that bad. But this morning, she's all smiles. She gave me a great big hug because she loves me so much. I'm like, thank you, Charlotte. You just make me feel so much better. But today's going to be a good day. Right now, I'm currently going to just pick up like crazy. When I say my place is a disaster, it actually it's not. There's just like little things here and there. Charlotte digs out stuff and it's just easy things to pick up. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pick up my living room. I always have enough energy, like when Graham's home, when he's sleeping, I don't know what it is. So he's sleeping still right now, totally fine. I'm gonna empty the dishwasher, pick up a lot of stuff and start picking up the kitchen and then load the dishwasher. So that's what I'm gonna work on. And then I wanted to hang out with my friend today, and we still are. And I wanted her to maybe go somewhere to get something to eat. But I'm thinking we should go somewhere and get food, but then have a picnic at a park or something is kind of what I want to do. So I'm gonna talk to her and see what she wants to do. Yeah, I'm talking about Jennifer though. So that's what I'm gonna do today because I don't know. And then one of the Walmarts in my town has a baby alive doll. I saw that Llewellyn Savvy Coupon Shopper posted this post for a baby alive doll for $7.99. Well, I checked BrickSeek and there's actually a store near here that has them for $2. And so I was thinking of getting one for Charlotte and then maybe getting, if they have more, I'll probably get a couple more to give, you know, when Charlotte starts having friends, because now we're gonna have little girls as friends too. So I thought those would be a good gift to give, you know, for that, or if she wants to have twin dolls, you know, whatever, because she's starting to get into dolls now. It's so cute. So that's what's going on. I slept a little bit better last night and I did have a hard time sleeping, but I didn't, you know, look at my phone. I just kind of just kept my eyes closed. But yeah, somebody mentioned that, not right now, honey, we're gonna have breakfast. Somebody mentioned that stress makes you lose sleep. So I can tell I'm really under stress if I'm, you know, can't sleep for 2 hours at the night. No, we'll get some breakfast. So I'm gonna get these kids breakfast and I'll catch you guys back. So it is now 12:35. We're getting ready to go. It's supposed to like rain soon, so we will see what happens. I don't know. My friend's not as scared of the virus as like I am. I still like to take precautions, but they're saying like 400 people became positive. Right now where they have the testing center, they're saying there's like over an hour wait just for people to get tested. It's crazy. Crazy, you guys. So I'm getting the kids all ready to go. Your mouth? No, not right now, you don't. But I'm getting ready to go and have some fun with my friend because I deeply need it, even though I just saw her a couple days ago. But I will catch you guys back. We'll show you guys back. No, Ben wants to show you the train he got.
Mama found us and it's a rare edition Thomas.
Yeah, it's a Thomas Hot Wheel, which is cool. I'm gonna run the dishwasher while we're gone. And I put some laundry away this morning. I cleaned up the kitchen. Living room I picked up. Can't tell now, but I did pick it up. So it's 12:36. Hey, let's go have some fun. It's currently 2:02. We went to we went to Walmart. They didn't have it, nothing. They hardly had anything. So it was kind of a waste driving here, but it is storming like crazy. My whole entire outfit is completely soaked. We had an umbrella, but yeah, it is raining like cats and dogs here. So now we're gonna go meet up with our friends. Our friend forgot to meet up with us. I said, that's fine, I'll just run to Stoughton, or the Walmart real quick. So that's what we're doing. So now we're gonna drive in the rain. Hi guys, so I got this nice little curl going on because that's why I hate my hair. It is currently 5:21. We just got in the door and we played at our friend's house for a little bit. It was just nice hanging out. So
I want to show something on camera.
So we're gonna see them.
Yeah,
hold on. We're gonna see them on Wednesday. But Ben got a toy that I actually been wanting to get for a while.
Yeah, it can. You push this red thing. See? Shoot the pizza.
So we got that for $4 at Walmart, which is a toy that I actually been wanting to get because we have a lot of Toy Story toys. So I wanted to kind of get that. Ben, can you throw this in the garbage, please? So right now I got some PVC. I'm gonna build a fort for Ben, and I gotta figure out what size I'm gonna do the peak. So that's what I'm gonna do with the kids right now. We're just gonna have a nice relaxing night. That's all I can say. So we'll catch you guys back after we have some fun. Good morning, everybody. It is 8:47. Yeah, I actually slept pretty well last night. It was kind of sad. I didn't woke up because Charlotte woke up. She's going through like this odd thing. But I actually slept pretty good. We slept until about 8 o'clock this morning, and so now it's 8:47. Charlotte's eating her breakfast. Graham went outside to empty the pool to, you know, refill it. We're having our friends come over tomorrow to play. Yeah, I'm just gonna, you know, be positive. I'm gonna try to just be positive. You guys understand what I'm going through. And yeah, so I am gonna try to do another jewel order today. Hopefully today. I'm gonna probably order some vinyl because I want to make a couple different t-shirts for Ben to wear, myself to wear. So I'm gonna order some vinyl because there's a website that has like $2 Tuesdays. I am gonna try to finish my mom's cup that I was blinging. If I don't finish it, you know, it's not a big deal, but I also want to, you know, do some more videos of, you know, where I get my supplies for blinging and also where I get my supplies for vinyl. I need to work on that, so when Charlotte takes a nap, I'm gonna try to film some of that stuff because a lot of you guys want to know it. I do have a link below if you guys are interested in blinging your own projects. I actually have a link below where you guys can get, I think it's 10% off your order if you use my referral link, so it helps me out, helps you guys out. It's kind of cool. But yeah, and I'm gonna put a lot of other things in there, but I'm just having a good relaxing morning. Oh yeah, I'm gonna try to work on some laundry today. Empty the dishwasher. I do that every single day, kind of just pick up here and there. I built that tent for Ben, which I need to film a video on how I made that, so I might do it outside, just because our living room is a little bit cramped right now.
Outside.
You want to?
No.
No, we just put it together and then we'll take it down again, little man. Otherwise, I'll put it in a spot. We'll just move some furniture. So that is how my day is going so far. I just want a nice relaxing day. I don't want to leave the house, but we do need milk really badly. Just relax. I do need milk really badly, so I might see if Graham can go run and get it, or otherwise I'll just run and get milk and then come right back at the gas station right up the road. But yeah, I just want a nice positive day, get some stuff done, get some videos done. And oh crap, I also forgot it's the end of the month. Today's the end of the month video, you guys. Like, I did not realize that I have to do my basement video, which I've been totally slacking at. I gotta do the empties of the month. Like, I just have been forgetting like crazy what day it is anymore. So I gotta get dressed and film those videos real quickly, but I will catch you guys back in a bit. Oh, and I forgot to also mention, I did finish my vlog yesterday. As you guys can see, we didn't have a very exciting day. So, and I just really wasn't feeling it to, you know, post a video last night. I was so tired. I went to bed at like 9:30 is when I kind of went to bed last night. I didn't fall asleep till a little after 10, but I just wanted to go to sleep. So I will catch you guys, back in a bit. So it's like, I don't even know what time it is. I don't have my phone on me. So I came down here to finish my basement video, and as I was filming, and I'll put the thing right here to share with you guys. But the look on my face was hilarious. I'm like, oh god, the basement is flooding again. And I'm like, what the heck is that? Well, I'm screaming to Graham. I'm like, Graham, the basement's flooding again. Because like right where I'm sitting, there's these pipes right here. and Ben was putting ice cubes in here, and Graham knew about it, and I'm like, seriously? And it started leaking right onto this tote, or right onto the table, so I put this tote here, and Graham's like, Benjamin, don't do that. I'm like, well, if you knew he was doing it in the first place. But I was just filming, you know, my basement video, and Graham was down here, and I'm like, Graham, get out of here. And he's like, all you do is complain in your videos. Well, you know, all I'm asking is for help watching the kids in the basement. He's like, why work all the time? I says, Graham, I'm not complaining about you. I just need somebody to watch the kids for the day. For the day, not for 1 or 2 hours. I feel like I can't get anything done for 1 or 2 hours because I have so much stuff. I don't want to start a project then not be able to finish it. And then, like, right now I have done so much stuff digging it out, but it's like I want to work on it some more, but I can't, because once I start, then I gotta stop. And I'm a person who just wants to keep going. If I can have at least 5 hours down here working, I can get so much stuff done. But I have nobody to watch the kids. And like when Graham's home, he doesn't want to do this. He wants to go do stuff, which is totally fine. But he's just like, all you do is complain all the time. And I'm like, well, sorry, Graham, this is the type of person that I am. You know, he doesn't help me with a lot of stuff, and a lot of this stuff is mine. I do know that, but I am, you know, cleaning it. I'm getting rid of stuff. I just go in spurts where I want to get rid of stuff, but I seriously need somebody to watch the kids for a whole day to get this stuff done, and that's not going to happen for a very long time because of this stupid virus. My friend said she would watch the kids, but that means I'd have to leave and go drop them off at the place, but she'd watch Ben, not Charlotte. You know, well, she could watch Charlotte, but you know, I need somebody to just take the kids for a whole day and do it, but it's just not going to happen. Not going to happen. So until then, this basement's going to be kind of messy, but it's like I just want more freaking clear totes is what I'm trying to ask Graham for. I mean, we have a lot of totes, but the totes that we have don't fit on the shelves, and I want to get all the same kind of totes, all the same kind. So it's like I just want to go to IKEA, but it's an hour and a half away, and get more totes, because once I can start getting everything organized, I'm going to put all certain crafts and certain things. Like, that's what I'm working on, but it takes a little bit. But my garage sale, I did get rid of a lot of stuff. So, you know, little baby steps here and there, but I'm just, the basement stresses me out, and it's just like I have zero help. And Graham never wants to help me because when I want to get rid of stuff, I mean, he's a person who has boxes of junk mail. Get rid of it. I mean, we could get rid of probably 5 boxes or totes full of junk mail, but I mean, me and him are part hoarders on certain things, but it's like I'm at the point where I just don't give a crap. But there's certain things that I want to keep. Like, I have a whole box of school supplies. I don't need these school supplies. But it's like, okay, well, I might need them in the future, and it's like I do want to donate. I pretty much I'm thinking I'm gonna donate like 75 to 80% of this stuff, but I don't know what school's in for this year, you know, but I just don't know. So I'm gonna film my empties video and then get some stuff started, but I'm just having a stressful day today, you guys, and I wanted it to be a good day, but I think when I go upstairs, I'm just gonna start blinging some cups and filming some videos, because that's just the only thing that's relaxing me right now. So I'll catch you guys back in a bit. So I have been slacking at vlogging today, which is totally fine. I just kind of had an off day. Wasn't sad, wasn't depressed, wasn't stressed out. I just, you know, kind of just been hanging out with the kids a lot lately, and I've been continuing constantly picking up. I did, you know, bling some of my cup. Yeah, I was kind of watching YouTube today, you guys. Like, there's some drama going on, and it's like I'm not even involved, but I feel like I'm involved. If you guys know what I'm talking about, it's like the whole beauty world. There's just like stuff just coming out. It's crazy. It's kind of sad and depressing, but I feel like I'm included, and I'm not. Like, I'm not. They don't know who I am. But anyways, it is currently 8:30. Graham should be home probably within the next 30 minutes to 45 minutes. My friend's coming over tomorrow, and the kids are going to play in the pool, and she's going to help me clean, just pick up stuff. I don't know what it is, but she motivates me like crazy. Not like, Jennifer, let's go, let's go, let's go. No, there's something about her that motivates me. So I love it, and her name is Jennifer. But I want to make her something, you guys. Like, she's gotten me some stuff here and there. Like, okay, I think this is, yeah, I gotta show you what she got. She got me, crap. Oh, I threw it up the stairs. Crap. I threw it up the stairs. I forgot what was in it. She got me a candle. Thank God it's wrapped in bubble wrap. But she got me a candle. I forgot there was a candle in the bag bin. She got me a candle that smells like a donut. If you guys are familiar. Okay, you guys are he has no pants on. If you guys are familiar with Quick Trip, they have these donuts called Glazers, and last year Ben and I did a video that had them, seriously, we did a video tasting potato chips that tasted like Glazers. I'm gonna see if I can put the camera down without it sliding anywhere. It's on a stick. Okay, just give me a second.
That's a big candle.
Yeah.
And push the like button, and Mommy has some shirts on our video.
Okay. Okay. So it is called the Smith and Company candles. This is the Quick Trip Glazer donut. And it smells exactly like, you know, it smells like a glazer donut, plus it smells like vanilla, and it smells delicious. So she got me that. She got Charlotte, you know, some outfits, and I want to make her a bling cup. Just because, you know, she loves iridescent. So I was like talking to her yesterday, because I'm like, I wanted to surprise her, but I also wanted her to have something that she likes. So I'm gonna be making a jewel order again. One of you guys, I think, commented on one of my videos. You guys can message me through Facebook, Instagram. You can email me. I have my email down below. But if you guys want a bling cup, let me know, because I'm gonna probably make an order tomorrow, possibly. There's a couple different cups that I want to make, but I'm gonna make her a bling cup with these iridescent jewels, and then I'm going to use it on this cup is what I'm gonna do. So I have to get jewels for that. But yeah, and if you guys want one, they are pricey, but they're like 50 bucks to make, because I spend at least almost $30–40 just with buying the jewels alone. So I'm gonna definitely make her one. And I'm trying to think of like other videos I can make with the jewel. Like, I'm still making the one. It's gonna take me a week to make. But I'm getting to it. I just need to have a sit down, relax time. But maybe tomorrow after they leave, I can probably start working on it, because the place will be picked up. She just motivates me like crazy. So that is what's going on. Can you open the cover? So that's what's going on right now. But Charlotte's just been hurting herself like crazy.
I keep hurting her.
Well, and she keeps hurting herself because she doesn't understand she's getting stuck. So, there you go, kid. So, that's what's going on. A day in my life, you guys. But I'm just having a nice day, stress-free, relaxing-free. I mean, I got stuff I gotta clean up, but I did vacuum today. You know, I cleaned up the kitchen, I emptied the dishwasher, talked to my stepdad, talked to my mom like I talk to every single day. But I'm getting there, you guys. The basement, if you guys watch my cleaning video, I will be working on that tomorrow, so I'm pretty excited for that. But I will see you guys all bright and early. Thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you for all the positive words. You guys have helped me out so much just with everything going on. If it wasn't for you guys, I'd probably be really depressed right now. But you guys, you know, I think of you more as my friends. I know some of you very well from how you comment and everything, so you know, it's just like that. But thank you guys, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Bye bye.